Today I'm going to be assembling my 3D printer, which is a Creality Ender 3. This is what it looks like out of the box. Okay, let's get started. We're done assembling the printer. Now it's time to level the printer bed and, well, upgrade it and print something. Okay, I'm done modeling and upgrade for my 3D printer. Now let's print it. The print is done. Oh yeah, and this broke off. It's fine, I'll glue it together on my tongue. It came out pretty well. I'll glue this later. Okay, so basically what I printed here is a cover for this fan over here. So just in case if filament gets in here, it might destroy the fan here. So I printed this cover just to protect the fan. I've also printed this cover for my display here. I've written down the printer's birthday over here so I can keep track. And this is just to protect my display from dust. I've also printed this tool holder for my printer. So I have everything I need to replace and repair anything on the printer. I'm also printing this Z-axis knob. It allows me to move my 3D printer's Z-axis by hand. See, we live in a high-story apartment, so the doors keep on closing frequently due to the winds up here. So I printed this. It's a door stopper. On to the next upgrade. Basically what I've done here is that I have printed these individual parts which fit together like this to form a cable chain for my y-axis motor. This is how it looks installed onto the printer. It's to protect the wiring of the y-axis. This is what I've 3D printed. It's a V-slot bracket. And I've attached those V-slot brackets to this LED strip. You see, those clips I made earlier over here, they snap onto this V-slot here. So I can suspend this LED off this bar of aluminum. I also did the wiring. Yeah, this is the wiring. It connects here, goes down to here, and these are the contacts. So I just have to connect it to my power supply like this, and then I can just turn the light on. This will increase the quality of my videos of time lapses of this printer printing. That's about it for all the upgrades. I hope you like watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.